Hello students, welcome to our online biology classroom. Our second chapter, Windows of Knowledge. In the last class we discussed about the structure of the eye and the structure of the ear. Hope you understood that topic. Today we will discuss how to detect taste, smell, different types of receptors seen in the skin and different types of receptors in other organisms. Let's start our portion with tongue. We know that the tongue contains taste buds such as sweet, salt, sour, bitter, umami, etc. Umami means it is a Japanese word which has 5 basic tastes such as sweet, sour, bitter, salt. On the surface of the tongue, there is a receptor called chemoreceptor which helps to detect taste. In the tongue, there is a projected structure which is seen on the surface of the tongue called papillae. The part seen on the papillae that detect taste are the taste buds. Each taste bud has chemoreceptors that helps to detect different taste. The substances which is responsible for the taste dissolve in saliva, stimulate the chemoreceptor and they generate impulses. These impulses reaches the brain through the respective nerves and we experience taste. Our next topic is how to detect smell. In the nose, there is a receptor called olfactory receptor. Now look at the flow chart. Aromatic particles diffuses in the air and enters the nostrils. These aromatic particles dissolve in the mucus inside the nostrils. There it stimulates olfactory receptor and generates impulses. These impulses from the olfactory receptor reaches the cerebrum and as a result smell is detected. Our next topic is the receptors present in the skin. The skin has different types of receptors such as pain receptor, cold receptor, touch receptor, pressure receptor and temperature receptor. Likewise, these receptors undergoes stimulation, impulses will be produced. These impulses through the nerves, it reaches the cerebrum and as a result, different types of responses occurs. Now, let's learn different types of receptors in various organisms. First one is the planaria. The planaria contains eye spot to detect light. Second one, shark. The shark contains lateral line on either side of the body which helps to detect the changes in the balancing of the body. At the tip of the shark you can see a highly sensitive olfactory receptor. That is a peculiarity of the shark. The housefly contains the receptor called ommatidia which is formed of thousands of small eyes. The eyes of an insect consist of cluster of photoreceptor called ommatidia. Last one is the snake which has a receptor called Jacobson organ. The aromatic particles that stick on the tongue of the snake reaches the Jacobson organ seen on the roof of the mouth cavity. The olfactory receptor seen there get stimulated. Students, these are the summaries of second chapter. These are very important. Learn the portions well. Watch the videos whenever you get time. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.